How to find QR code on Ring Floodlight Camera. Turn on the floodlight camera and make sure the device is ready for setup. Check the backside of the camera body near the mounting bracket where the label is usually placed. Look carefully for a small sticker that contains the QR code along with device information. Examine the bottom area of the camera near the power cable because some models place the label there. If the camera has a battery compartment, then open that section and check inside for the sticker. Use good lighting or a flashlight so the small QR code label becomes easier to see. If the camera is already mounted on a wall, gently adjust the device to view the backside clearly. Open the Ring app on your mobile phone and go to the option for setting up a new device. Choose the floodlight camera from the device list in the Setup section of the app. Hold your phone camera in front of the QR code and allow the app to scan the label. If the code cannot be scanned, then check the product box or manual where the same QR code may also be printed. Thank you for watching.